I'm sending you the thought of love, well-being.
Sende jetzt die Gedanken von Liebe und Wohlgefühl.
Now breathe in
Einatmen,
and out.
aus,
Breathe in
einatmen,
and out.
aus,
Breathe in
einatmen
and out.
und aus.
Breathe in,
Einatmen,
out.
aus,
Breathe in deeply.
tief einatmen,
Go with your mind, heart, and spirit to the moment of the ski accident.
und geh mit Herzdenken und Körper zum Moment des Schienenfalls.
Visualize it
Sieh es,
and release and let it out.
lass es los.
Out.
Aus.
Out. Good. Breathe in.
Einatmen,
Out.
aus,
Breathe in. And out. There she comes. Now breathe in.
einatmen,
Focus to the where it is pain in your head. Focus on it and release.
Konzentration auf den Kopfschmerz, auslassen,
Go to the spine now.
jetzt zur Wirbelsäule,
Good. Now breathe in
einatmen,
and out. Breathe in
einatmen,
and out. Breathe in
ein,
and out. Should be good. That it should be okay. Open your eyes.
ausatmen.
To be free. So very good question. Thank you, dear. When I start the process of treatment, I start here in the thymus gland, the heart. When you're under stress or you've had much tension or suffering, the thymus gland here shrinks. So the first step I do is going in and I just apply a field to that area to open the thymus gland. You saw the effect on you. His body was struggling this way. As I was, your body was shaking, your breath was gasping because you were trying to get your body adjusted to that field. Do you follow? Now, we work here because this is the safest area in the whole body to enter and to exit. Because that is the witness area, that is the area where you protect yourself from bacterial, viral infection. This is your immune system is in the thymus gland. So I work here to release the pattern. But when you release this, you're opening a big door and outpour then the emotions from the solar plexus. So when I tell you to release, release, I come right here and I'm protecting the solar plexus region.
Von taking them in.
What?
Von taking them in.
Well, yes, to prevent any negative forces from coming in. I'm holding you. I'm shielding you right here.
Ja.
Please, I'm shielding you here. You see? Now what? You just bend over. You bend over. No matter what position, the crystal is here as a shield. Now, the other thing, as the person bends over, my other hand goes here, at the base of the spine, because I'm protecting the base chakra. I'm shielding the person here. Now when I tell you to come up, you come up, watch. Come here. I come here, see I come right in, then I come out, then I start the process of connecting all of the chakras, getting them going, getting the wheel started. And then I tighten it to here and then bring it into peace. Please, any question on that now? Yes?
Yeah, when you do like this, couldn't you go up and down
Oh,
as
sure.
well, finally?
Yes, I can go
Yeah,
this way too.
yeah, okay.
What I'm wanting to do, I want to get the streams going. What I'm working on now are really the acupuncture meridian sites. So I want to get all the streams of energy flowing. Good, thank you. When
Ich werde an jeden jetzt die Herzensliebe in mir senden.
breathe in, out, breathe in, out, in, deep, 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 out. Now breathe in and hold your breath. Look at the source of your excess weight.
Betrachte die Ursache des Übergewichtes
Face the reason for the excess weight.
und betrachte den Grund für das Übergewicht.
And release it, let it out.
Loslassen.
Out.
Rauslassen.
Breathe in. Bring your body into balance.
Körper ins Gleichgewicht bringen.
See yourself now, 40, 50 pounds lighter,
Sehe dich jetzt 40, 50 Pfund leichter,
10 years younger,
10 Jahre jünger,
in a beautiful bikini, and above all, love yourself in this moment now.
und lieb dich selbst für diesen Moment an.
Peace be to you.
Friede sei mit dir.
Say you have lost your limb here from here on down. Automobile accident, this was just torn off. So you no longer have a limb here. But you suffer the feeling of always here. You have the pain of continually hurting and feeling that way. If an automobile accident, you go into here, you create the image of the accident by asking the person to create the image. You then would go with the crystal like this to lock into that image, because you're building up a pattern here in space. Then you have them breathe in. Now I'm just going to go to it just in demonstration. You breathe in now. You breathe in deep. Close your eyes and you hold the image of the image. Now I'm holding, locking onto it. Watch the steps now. Then I will tell you to release. Close my hand here, I come out, break it, and I go here, and then you go down. That's it. Yeah, you can feel it. All right.
Yeah.
Now I'm going to go in. Now see, I'm not dealing with an injury, I'm dealing with a pattern of thought. So I bypass a lot of the preliminaries I normally talk about. We go directly in now and go in. There it is. You feel the energy now?
Yeah.
Now breathe in and out. Yeah, she's building up now. Breathe in and out. And feel the difference in your body now. It's calming down. Breathe in. Hold your breath. Go to that moment where you were suddenly awakened. You had this fear. Visualize it now and release it. There it is. See? Out, 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 out. Your whole body's perspiring. Release, release. Now slowly when you're ready, breathe in and come on up. Now come back here and out. Now bring your body into balance and out. There she comes. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Hands down. There it comes. Feel it. Breathe in and out. 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 Peace to you. Breathe in and out. Breathe in. Go with your mind and heart and spirit now to your knee. Visualize what was the root and the source of the difficulty you're now having. Breathe in a little bit more now and release it. Let it out. That's good. Let it out. Complete and willing. Breathe in and build now in your life. Build a life now. Put the cartilage back in your knee. Peace be to you. God bless you. Bring in light. Breathe in. And peace. And out all of the rejections you found. Breathe in. Peace. Joy. Breathe out all negative patterns. Breathe in. Hold your breath. Deeper, deeper, deeper. Go with your mind, heart, and spirit now to the source of your anger and your fear and release them. Out, out, out. Release, release, release. Peace be to you. May your heart, mind, and spirit now become one. And God loves you, and I love you. Let all of the anger, all of the fears now leave. Peace be to you. God be.
Und möge sie befreit werden von allen negativen Einflüssen dieser Umgebung.
I ask this in your name and for her good.
Ich bitte darum in deinem Namen und für ihr Gutsein.
What I'm doing right now is an orientation. This is another factor I use at times when the body has had a disturbing feel. I find which angle is best to work with the person.
Wenn das Feld gestört war, dann versuche ich herauszufinden, welcher Winkel am besten ist, um mit der Person zu arbeiten.
Here it comes. Feel it now? You can feel the field. If you hold your hands up now, you'll feel.
Wenn ihr die Hände hochhaltet, dann können Sie das auch verspüren.
Now breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in. Smell. You'll be able to smell this now. Out.
Es riecht jetzt.
Breathe in. Very strong odor. Out.
Sehr starker Geruch.
Now I'm perspiring. Breathe in
Ich schwitze.
and out. Breathe in and out. Now, breathe in deeply.
Tief einatmen.
Go to the source of what is causing your disturbance.
Geh in die Ursache der Störung.
Face it and release and let it out.
Rauslassen.
Out. Out. Breathe in
Einatmen.
and release.
Und
Joyful
rauslassen.
breath. Feel yourself together now.
Spür jetzt einer zu sein.
That you are totally free of all violence.
Ganz frei bis auf allen Ebenen.
And from this moment on, no force can penetrate or harm your body without your freedom.
Und dass von diesem Moment an keine Kraft ohne Einwilligung dich erreichen kann. ganz.
Peace be to you.
Friede sei mit dir.
Go in peace.
Gehe in Frieden.
Feel better? So we have to start over again. Now, he is coming. I have a pain in my shoulder. Can you help me now? I hurt here. All right. I bumped into a wall, and this pain hurts me terribly. All right.
Like that. You want to see?
I'm going to put my crystal in there. He's going to work on my pain in my shoulder.
What did happen to you? How did you get into that?
I bumped into a wall.
You bumped into a wall.
Right.
Was it dark?
It was dark, and I was all excited, and I walked too fast and said, "Wham!" I got hit.
You got scared?
I was scared too.
Yeah.
I hurt bad.
Okay, good try.
Would you do that?
Yeah, good. Yeah, God. That was this wonderful man. Now, where exactly does it hurt?
It's right in here. And
Are you sure?
also I have a pain.
I think it's easy
Kind
to
of
see if you turn around because your arm blocks all the way.
Oh,
No, no, let you stand.
I see. It's not. Oh, sorry.
a little pain right up here. And then this is kind of numb here. This kind of bothers me too.
Let's see. Well, we first try to balance your body.
Okay.
So now, I'm going into the auric field. Now I'm trying to find the angle where I knock into. I think it's here. Feel it?
Yes, I can feel the field now. Yes.
Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now breathe in, be prepared to release.
Release!
I mean, that was all.
I come here, watch my hands now. My feet are flat on the ground. I come in without breathing. I rotate without motion and hold. You feel that now?
Yeah.
You see? It's like a needle going in. Now his body is moving. And now my finger is tingling because the charge has gone from here to this side here. Now I let my breath out. And now I tell you to breathe in. Watch. And out. Now I breathe with him. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Feel it building up now? Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Now what am I waiting for? I'm watching the amplification of the field. Breathe in And now he is ready because the feel's coming. Now, I said, breathe in, look at it. Focus on what you want to release from your body. Create a clear image of it. Lock into it now and release. You see? I didn't touch his body. Did it good? Yeah. Have him take his breath in now. I'm open. House. Breathe with it. Deep. House. Keep going.
Tief einatmen,
Focus on his anger.
auf den Ärger konzentrieren,
Lock into it.
reingehen,
Come one with it.
eins damit werden,
And release. Good. Out. Out. That's good. Okay. Breathe in.
einatmen, ein und aus. 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 Und aus.
Breathe in.
Ein.
Out.
Aus.
Feel at peace and harmony with yourself.
Fühle dich in Ruhe und Harmonie mit dir selber.
And start saying, I love me.
Und beginne zu sagen,
Liebe meine Frau.
frei sein von allem Ärger.
Das ist ein schöner Weg zur Heilung.
Now look at that, smile at everybody.
Die Augen strahlen.
Now, breathe in. You hold your breath. Now, hold your breath until you get contact. There it is. Let your breath out. Now, breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now breathe in deeply. Focus on the difficulties in her body. You focus on it, my dear, now, and release. Let them out. Breathe in. Inject pulse breath, the treatment for the body, and its balancing. Now test it.
You need to come forward. You're going to do it now. You will be the patient. You are patient. It's easy for me to talk, but now you will take everything I've said and put it into practice. I will give you steps. I will sit back and talk and you will do, okay?
Also, das ist, der Wurf ist Wasser. Ich habe es noch nie gemacht.
Now, first, clear the crystal. That's right. Breathe in and out. She's never done this before. Out. That's right. Good. Out. In and out. Good. Now, charge it. You've got it clear. Hold it in your hand now, the right hand. Take this down, like this. See how it fits in your hand? Like a pencil. No, no. On one of these faces. All right, take a deep breath. Build your chest. Push this out. That's it. And pulse your breath. That's not good. That's fine. Breathe in. Now, pulse by pushing in and out. That's it. Watch. Let's do it with another crystal. Watch the difference. See, there is a ringing in the stomach. Watch. See, it causes a note or a ringing. And right now I hear tone in my ears. Go ahead. That's better. Now, test the crystal. Hold it in your hand this way. Take your finger and feel it stick. Good, you got it. Now, draw your breath in. Look at it and draw your breath in. Just comes loose. See? Let your breath out. Sticks. Do it again. See it get loose? Out. Now what that is showing is that a force, a charge, is now freely moving in with the outgoing breath, producing a charge. When you draw your breath in, the charge is pulled back into your body.
Das soll auf einen Energiekreislauf hin. Beim Einatmen geht die Energie hinein und beim Ausatmen fließt sie wieder in den Kristall.
So it is important when you heal or do the initial work, you do not breathe.
Es ist wichtig, wenn man mit der Arbeit beginnt, dass man nicht atmet.
Because if you unconsciously draw your breath in as you're holding the field, you will draw the field into the crystal and your body without the proper structure.
Und zwar ist es deshalb wichtig, wenn man einatmet, dann wird man das Feld des anderen in sich hineinatmen ohne richtige Strukturierung.
You are the first people I'm giving this type of depth of instruction to.
Es ist hier das erste Mal, dass ich bei den Anweisungen in diese Tiefe gehe.
Now, the initial phase of treatment is to direct a field without breathing by you into a person.
Die erste Phase besteht darin, ein Feld in den Patienten hineinzubringen ohne Atmung.
I'm going to use now only demonstrations and no treatment.
Ich demonstriere ohne Behandlung.
One takes one's hand here,
Hand hinten hin.
and then one comes in a direction this way and rotates the crystal counterclockwise, brings it here, and then starts the process of aligning until you feel a tingling going on between this finger and my left hand. I'm locking into the body. Now there is a point of resistance. You should begin to feel a fear. Now you try it.
Und zwar nimmt man die eine Hand hier hinten hin und die andere hier vorne und schraubt sich sozusagen in das Feld hinein.
Links und links.
You felt it.
Das war nicht elektrischer Schlag. Ich dachte, ich mache noch nichts.
Counterclockwise. Entgegengesetzt.
Ja, ich habe also gedreht gehabt.
Is it that before?
Yes. I can knock a person down if I don't use the right direction.
Wenn man also nicht die richtige Richtung benutzt, dann kann ich jemand damit K.O. machen.
I've had people drop like they've been hit with a pickaxe.
Also dann übersetze ich so ohne es hier zu machen.
Please, that is why my hand is here, in case they start to drop. I pick up like this.
Ich habe gerade die Hand da, mit gerade, dass er umfällt, dass er seine Hand das ihn aufhängt. Also er steht nicht.
Go on, get to work again. Good Tracy.
Und man dreht dann so lange entgegengesetzt, ich habe eben verkehrt rumgedreht, bis man eine Resonanz verspürt zwischen dem Finger und der anderen Hand und dann kann man mit der Arbeit beginnen.
Start in again. You're working on the witness area, which is the thymus gland.
Man arbeitet in einem Zeugenbereich, im Thymusbereich. Er nennt es Zeugenbereich im Mund.
It's about one hand span from here down. You start here, now you go into this side here. Now, when you go in, please, let me watch. I do it once more. I draw my breath in.
Ich atme ein,
I hold my breath,
halte,
no breathing. Now watch. In, counterclockwise. And hold. I'm not breathing. Tune. There I'm in. Now I can let once I'm in, which means I can feel the heal flowing from here through the body into my other hand. There's a circuit that is developed.
Ein Kreislauf ist entstanden, wenn eine Verbindung da ist.
And how long are you holding your breath?
I haven't breathed yet. I can do it for 5-10 minutes. Takes practice. Why do you think I gave you an article on pranayama?
Was glaubt ihr, warum ich gestern über Pranayama gesprochen habe?
No, I'm just holding. I haven't breathed.
Bleibt immer noch.
I can talk, carry on, but no breathing.
Without breathing, ja.
I'm not breathing.
Atme nicht.
Mirroring.
No, just a happy man. Now I draw my breath in and out, and it's released.
Atme ein und aus.
No, you do that.
Again, once again.
You enjoying this? You got it. That's good. Now rotate to the right, slowly, slowly, and come back again until you feel that point of contact. There you go. Now she's coming in. Feel it? You feel your body start to vibrate? Now once you get the real contact, you suddenly hear tone in your ear. Not yet. Now, you can let your breath out. Breathe out. No, keep it there. Breathe out. Now breathe in again. Now start to link. It's like dealing with a musical instrument. A little slower, slower. Now let's check it here. There she's coming. Now the feel is coming. Feel it? Now, you breathe in and out. Now you breathe with her. That's right. Both of you breathe together now. That's a linking by breath of one body with the other. Feel that beautiful resonance now? It's a linking that there is no precedent on. Now, just send him love now. God of well-being and good health. You breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Slow down. Hold your breath. Close your hands and release. You did not do treatment.
Wir haben nicht behandelt.
Purely now an exchange of energy.
Das war ein Energieaustausch.
Mickey, hit me up. See how easy this is? Just as soon as I take it from her hand, I've cleared the crystal and I charge it with one breath and it's done. And I do this between each patient. Yes?
I have a question. What happens when you already hear tones without hearing them?
The tones will be modulated.
Ja. Die Töne werden moduliert, wenn man schon vorher was gehört
You will
hat.
hear just like a variation in volume.
Ja.
See, as soon as I
Den
started,
Tonunterschied.
soon as I started this discussion with you on crystal, the tone came into my ear.
Sobald ich angefangen habe, hier über Kristalle zu sprechen, war bei mir auch sofort der Ton da.
Yeah.
For the mental flow, would you kindly once again show us how you deep out the crystal?
I'm going to do it each time. I'll keep repeating until we all begin to learn. I've emptied the crystal now. There's nothing, no field. I charge now, holding in my hand, because I'm pulling from my palm a field into the crystal.
Aus der Handinnenfläche geht ein Feld in den Kristall hinein.
And when I pulse my breath, the fingers will compress. So I produce a charge by compression of the crystal. At the same time, a field comes from my body into the crystal, and an oscillation takes place. In other words, comes like a laser.
Also ich klemme diese beiden Finger an die Seite ran und oben ein Finger und von meinem Körper geht dann ein oszillierendes Feld über in den Kristall, verbunden mit einer Laserwirkung.
If you'll hold your hands up now, I'll let you feel the charge on one
Was
side.
ihr beruht, dann könnt ihr die Ladung verspüren.
What I'm doing now is balancing my body.
Ich bringe meinen Körper jetzt in Ausgleich.
Now I breathe.
Jetzt atme ich.
I rotate my head at times to open the areas.
Ich drehe meinen Kopf, um zu öffnen.
There it comes.
Und dann atme ich kräftig auf.
Put your hands down. How many could feel that now?
Wie viel haben das gefühlt?
Yeah. Very sharp, quick pulse.
Der scharfe, schnelle Atem.
Now the thing is like it's glue.
Jetzt ist wie Klebe.
Feel it. It's a charge that you transfer.
Das ist eine Ladung, die man überträgt.
It's what I showed you yesterday in this crystal, putting into water.
Was ich gestern gezeigt habe, die Ladung im Wasser zu übermitteln.
Now I work with this young lady here.
Jetzt arbeite ich mit dieser jungen Dame.
Once charged, crystal, put my hand on her shoulder. Now I want her to tell me what she needs to have done on her body.
Nach der Aufladung nehme ich eine Hand auf die Schulter und frage, was ihr körperlich fehlt.
Was ist los jetzt? You have pain in your knee. What else?
Und noch? Was fehlt noch?
Not good.
Im Moment
You have pain?
generell oder im Moment? Generell. Generell.
Very active. Yeah. You like this. Do you want to quiet down?
Möchtest du ruhiger werden?
All right. Let us now pray.
Wir beten jetzt.
Dear Lord,
Lieber Gott,
help me to be a instrument of service.
hilf mir, ein Dienstinstrument zu sein,
Help this person to become whole
um diesen Menschen hier zu helfen, ganz zu werden
and free from pain
und schmerzfrei,
in accordance with her will
in Einklang mit ihrem Willen
and for her good.
und für ihr Gutes.
You're going to help me. You stand back here. Put your hand in the back of your hand so you can feel the energy. Could you take this off right now? That's another question. You can see the difference now, much. You will see she is wearing a crystal around her neck. Right now, that crystal is holding the program of her body the way it is now.
Sie hat einen Kristall getragen, der das Programm ihres Körpers beinhaltet, wie der Körper des jetzigen Zustandes vom Körper.
We will test her body before and after with the same crystal she has.
Wir werden mit demselben Kristall, den sie hat, den Körper vorher und hinter und nach der Behandlung testen.
Right now, I'm going to have you, so we do it this way. Put your arm out and just resist.
Und Widerstand,
More.
mehr.
That's good, yes. Now you take, because Careful, no, you. Put it right into this position here. Focus on your hand. Resist.
Widerstand.
Weak. Try it again.
Nochmal. Widerstand.
Now take it away. Focus. Good.
Jetzt Widerstand.
Strong. Strong. By the other one. Focus.
Konzentrieren.
Breathe. Slowly. Focus.
Konzentrieren. Widerstand.
Now, crystals imprint the patterns of your thoughts.
Die Kristalle nehmen die Gedankenmuster auf, die man hat.
But now we will work.
Jetzt arbeiten wir.
I draw my breath in,
Ich atme ein,
balance my breath so I'm in a feeling of no strain.
bringe meine Atmung in Ausgleich, dass ich keine Anstrengung damit habe.
You feel building up, and you can feel it there now. Now I rotate until I feel a resistance right here.
Bis ich hier einen Widerstand verspüre.
Now I can let my breath out
Jetzt atme ich aus
and in.
und ein.
And you feel the energy.
Kannst du die Energie spüren? Was
You
spürst du?
feeling warmer now.
Das Wärme spürt sie.
Yeah. You will feel it as wind, as heat, as an electricity.
Wärme, Wind oder Elektrizität sind die Sachen, die man
Now the
verspürt.
body is responding with change in breath.
Jetzt reagiert der Körper mit Atemveränderung.
Feel the difference in your breathing.
Spürst du den Unterschied im Atem?
And now it's ready. Feel the difference in vibration. The charge has gone through her body, and now she is responding to it.
Die Ladung ist durch den Körper gegangen, sie reagiert darauf.
I do no thinking.
Ich denke nicht.
Now, I draw my breath in
Jetzt atme ich ein
and ask her to breathe in.
und bitte sie zu atmen, einzuatmen.
I breathe with her. Out,
Atmen zusammen, aus,
in,
ein,
out, in,
ein,
out, in,
ein,
out, ein, out. There it comes. Now, breathe in,
einatmen,
hold your breath,
einhalten, atmen.
go with your mind to the source of your pain
Ja, die Ursache der Schmerzen.
and release and let it out.
Lass los.
Out.
Rauslassen. Loslassen.
There she comes. Good. Feel me. Look at it go. De-stressing. Good. Now, deep breath.
Tief atmen,
Relax your body.
Körper entspannen
Let all the stress flow out of your body now.
und den ganzen Stress aus dem Körper fließen lassen.
Feel your body whole.
Den Körper ganz fühlen.
Peace to the world.